Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we have an unboxing, a couple of bags that were in kind of another bag. Not exactly sure what they are, but we're going to check it out together. Before we get started, I do want to say thank you to all the channel members, and thank you to anyone who's come in to check out the knife, the EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It will really help me out. So today we're going to use our Amazon unboxing knife, our little balisong. We're going to cut into this bag. Let's see what we got in here. And we've got a Kizer. So these are a couple of knives, because there was another one that was in the unboxing that came from Kizer. Give me a second, guys. Let me just give the cat some food, so she doesn't just jump right in our... Sorry about that, guys. So again, I had reached out to Kizer at Blade Show and let them know that I was interested in taking a look at any of their knives. They said they didn't have a lot of brand new stuff, but they did have some stuff to look at. Stuff that... It's been a while since I've had a Kizer on the show, on the channel. So let's just see what we've got. I have lately had a Mercury, a Phoenix, a Banish, it's been a while since I've had a Kizer Cares. A little booklet with some hardware and some springs. So this must be a bar lock version, and it looks like one that I've not tried out, that I've heard a lot about, the Drop Bear. Guys, let's put this stuff up. Our extra springs, our little sticker. And let's check out this knife that I've heard a whole lot about. A lot of people love it. I have not even handled it. Did not even handle it at Blade Show. But this one looks like a 154 cm. Perfectly centered. I love the finish. This is a aluminum, I think, with a purple stud, deep carry clip. I love the feel. Some people hate aluminum, but I love the kind of low-key feel. Really good detent. Super nice drop point blade. I can see what some of the fuss is about, guys. Again, I am not traditionally a axis lock guy. I have experienced Vostides and really have liked their rendition of the bar lock because it's got detent, and I'd always heard that Kizer does it as well as anybody, and I've only flicked it a couple of times, but I can tell that when I carry this knife and use it some, that I'm going to get the timing down, and it is an absolute little flipper. It's an Azo design or Azo design. Let's see how it cuts. It's got a tall, flat ground blade. The blade kind of reminds me, and this is just me talking off the top of my head or out my arse, but it reminds me kind of an elementum shape. I don't know why. Oh, wow. Alright, guys, it is a therapeutic slicer from the factory. I don't know how this would feel in other materials, but I love the weight of the aluminum. And this is just an unboxing, guys. I will live with this knife, carry it, check it out. Has kind of a nice spear point tip. Not necessarily a splinter digger, but a very, very able drop point slash spear point tip. PVC coated or DLC coated or some kind of black wash blade. You do have the model number on the blade, a little billboarding. You've got drop bear, azo. You've got 154 cm. I love the purple studs. Don't ask me why. I really like the action because it is not only, I don't spine whack, but I will. No side to side, no up and down. Literally fall shut. If I get it up here high where I can turn it, it just shuts down. Fits my hand perfectly. Again, this is not a review, but I'm curious how close it is to our bug out because it looks very bug outy. Probably about a half to a quarter inch smaller. This is going to be a little thicker because it is on full liners, but look at that jimping on the blade. The thumb studs look very similar. You've got more of the bar lock protruding, which I think make it easier to grab, easier to close. If I'm not mistaken, we'll do a breakdown on this, but I think the drop bear is the one that has the different positions for your axis springs so that you can adjust the tension. I would not necessarily adjust the tension because it feels very good. I have no issue opening it, whether I flick it open, whether I hit it with my reverse finger flick, whether I thumb flip it. It's got very sure-footed or steady lockup, and then it just drops like a joy. Again, the aluminum handles feel not powdery, but they feel soft. They feel nicely, even though they're not contoured. They're rounded over very well. You've got this nice steel clip that's not all the way recessed, but you do have it partially recessed in the handle. It is reversible, has recessed screws, running on bearings, steel liner locks with a couple of back spacers or a couple of standoffs. It does not look like it has a captive pivot, so when we take it apart, we might have to use our finger bit. But guys, I'm excited to try this out. I've heard a lot about it. You know, when I got into collecting, I was all about Kizers. I've never taken my eye off of Kizers. I just had kind of quit purchasing them because unless it was something that I really wanted to check out, like the Mercury or like the Veritas or like the Phoenix for Maddie, or there have been some others I've grabbed in there. And then Kizer sent me the Banish, and I'd love to get a stronger relationship where they send me a few knives to check out and bring to you guys and then be able to give them away on Friday Night Flicks. That would be awesome. But this is the Drop Bear. A lot of you've seen it. I've not. It does have a really nice sharpening choil. You can see that plunge grind comes down, giving you plenty of sharpenings. The blade feels good in hand. Super slicey. Great action. I'm very impressed, guys. So this is the Kizer Drop Bear. I will put it in the pocket, run it through some paces through the weekend and whatnot, and let you know what I think about it, guys. Right now, I can tell you, I think it's probably going to be pretty close to a win if you're looking for a nice EDC basic carry knife that gets that crosses a lot of boxes. But guys, thank you for watching. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. The bell notification icon if you haven't yet. Peace.